BTM Cebu, Shenzhen 168.
Ocean Jet 168, BTM Cebu, request channel 12 over.
1 to sir, down. BTM Cebu, Shenzhen 168.
Ocean Jet 168, go ahead, over.
Good afternoon sir, last port, Cebu Pier 1, next port, Ormoc City. Call sign Delta Uniform Hotel dash 3616. Drop forward 0.7 meters. Drop up 1.8 meters. Airdrop 12 meters. Voyage number 13609. Total passengers on board 93. Total crew on board 16 including master. Course 062 degrees, speed 8 knots, location vicinity of Pier 5. No dangerous cargo on board. First line kanina 1554 hotel. Last line 1637 hotel, over. Do.
May panda?
Ocean Jet 168, copy in your outbound reporting and advise keep monitoring and observe proper lookout for your safety. Monitor inbound, outbound business, observe harbor speed limit which is 8 knots. Proceed the proper outbound lane and strictly no overtaking inside the SS. Traffic information as of now, monitor inbound business, southbound. Direction stars, Ocean Jet 2 approaching CIP, safe code 13 approaching First Mactan Bridge, over.
Yes sir, noted, cited sir.
Nothing more, standby channel 16 for monitoring a passive voyage. Good afternoon.
Thank you so much sir. Back to 16 out, may hapon.